morning, guys. In last day's class, we have learned about the properties of triangle using in the term of medians and altitude. Arindam has asked me, ma'am, is there any symbol or any notification for median? No, dear. As for altitude, we draw a square shape on the base where it is forming an altitude. For median, we do not. Only what we have to see, if it is a median, it will be dividing the base into two halves. Or you can say it will be dividing the triangle into two equal triangles. Is it? Either the base is divided into two equal halves or the triangle is divided into two equal triangles. So that is median. If a line is constructed and on the base it is given this side is equal to this side, it means that is a median. This is the first thing. I will be writing it on, then you can see. Now the second thing, there is someone who has suggested me, ma'am, you could have started the chapter lines and angles. There are many type of triangle. Dear, there is not a single triangle is there. There you have a lines, parallel lines and intersecting lines. Is it? And the angles related to the parallel lines and intersecting lines are there. It is not related with the triangle. Before I start the chapter, I must make sure whether it is connected or not. Next, you will be reading the congruency of triangles. So this chapter triangle is started. For your suggestion, it's okay. According to you, what did you feel? You suggested it's nice, very nice. But you just make sure you must read. You have written there are many types of triangle. There is not at all any type of triangle. There is a triangle in which the lines are parallel, it is given. So there is not at all connection with the triangles and parallel lines. Okay, we have to read about triangles, and for that this chapter is started. Today we'll be reading about the angles properties. What does it mean? What is this angles property? All of us we know there are three angles of a triangle, and each sum of the three angle of triangle is 180 degree. Is it? Now other than these three interior angles, we have exterior angle of triangle. Now have a look. First of all, this median. Whenever it is a median, Arindam, it will be dividing the base into two halves. It will be given like that. The sides are equal, or maybe this side like this, the sides are equal. Okay, understood. This is called the median. But when this altitude is not confirmed as the side and the side is equal. Only in isosceles triangle it is equal. So this is the symbol for altitude. Now next we have angles property. As all of us we know, there are three angles in a triangle, and sum of this three angle is 1, 2 and 3. That angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. Means sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now this is called interior angles, is it? This is also interior angles. This is also interior angles. But it must have the exterior angles. As we know, in a polygon there are interior and exterior, both the angles are there. Now what is that? That we have to see. Just example, if it is a triangle ABC and side BC is extended to D. So you have here an exterior angle. What is that exterior angle? This angle ACDE is known as exterior angle. Is it? Now if this is exterior angle, we have three interior angles. So this interior angle will have a name, that is interior adjacent angles, and these two interior angles will have a name, interior opposite angles. Already you have learned this in class 6, and always the sum of exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles. Why it is? Just say me, exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angles. This is the formula. Why it has? Just I am showing you with the same figure, A, B, C, and it is extended to D. This angle is 130 degree. Okay. So what will be this angle? You just tell me. 50 degree. Okay. Is it? Because this is you. Okay. Just only the exterior angle you leave. What is given? Angle ACD is 130 degree. So what will be angle ACB? 180 degree minus 130 degree. 50 degree. Why? This is forming a straight angle. It is on the straight line BC. So forming a straight angle. So 50 degree we got. If angle ACB we have got 50 degree. So what will be angle A plus angle B? 180 degree minus 50 degree. Why? Sum of three angle is 180 degree. So this gets 130 degree. So this is equal to the sum of this 230 degree. We got equal. With that only the formula has come that the exterior angle of triangle is sum of interior opposite angles. Now all the properties of triangles and all the types of triangles are explained. We'll start the exercise next day. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Okay? Till then, you must read. Keep practicing. Next day's class, we'll meet again. Thank you.